Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to change when your computer goes to sleep or when the monitor turns off, or turn them both off, however you want to do it. So first off, in Windows 11, I'd go down to the search bar, type in sleep, and hit enter. And then down here where it says screen and sleep, so I have turn off my screen after 30 minutes. So I can select the time I want or hit never, which would stop the screen from turning off. And then when plugged in, put my device to sleep after, and then you can choose the time you want. I select never on mine. It's all solid state. Usually I find it to be fine to just do that this way. Um, and then that's it. Once those are set, you turn it off, you shut it down like that, you're good to go. Settings are in place. So whatever you select in there throughout the given time, it'll do what it needs to do. You can go back, change those anytime you need. You have any questions, comments, leave them in the box below. Till the next one, see you guys later.